Have I ever eaten myself when I'm coming after you or coming after anybody? As I'm talking now, have I eaten myself? You know me. You know me very well. It's sad that you drag my name into this matter. If the political system had not thrown you up, who are you? Why are you hiding behind the police? Why can't the police be neutral? Let Boma chase you and chase you out of Rivers State. If you will not chase you out of Rivers State, let your people in Abuja come. I swear, if Boma does not chase you out of Rivers State, you and your minions. Siendi do Salaman. Yendi no Billy. It is regrettable, some of us, we can't go back. Because the bond I have with Tinubu, I find it very difficult. And it pains me when I talk this way. Today, they are demonstrating all over Rivers State. If Nyesom Wike is that powerful, why are they using my name? Who have I killed? They are carrying placard. Asari Dokubo, stop killing people. Asari Dokubo, this. So Nyesom Wike was so powerful. He's so powerful. That Nyesom Wike, you people, Bajabi Amila and others are saying are so powerful. Come and see him, oh. Rivers people chased him out of all the local government, even with the support of the police. They chased him out. After all, we will not allow it. Continue provoking the people of Rivers State. We will continue to restrain ourselves. And we will watch you. But you will never succeed. My younger sister, I think Emeka Woke came and was talking, wait, who is Boma? Who is Emeka Woke? Boma, she has a pedigree. I have a pedigree. Who is Emeka Woke? If it is not politics that threw up all these characters without any pedigree, without any antecedent, who will know such people? That Emeka Woke will stand and compare Wike and themselves to us. These things will compare themselves to us. In Equatorial, we know those we know, not these people. God don't put on our bread. Instead of honor to chop the bread, the bread with them butter for now. She challenged you. So whatever Boma Guted, when Boma Guted fought you, she fought you and threw you like moto. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on where you are watching this live broadcast. A man made himself and those who believe in him that is King Kong, that he controls everything. He has the power of life and death. And those in Abuja believe that Nyesom Wike controls Rivers State. And he controls everything in Rivers State. He can give life and he can take life. One of his minions in Ikwere local government changed a song used by Christian. Take your problem to Wike and leave it there. Leave it there. He will solve your problem. He has all answers to your problem. We keep on asking the question, who was Nyesom Wike before 1999? And how did Nyesom Wike rise within the political circles of Rivers State? Nyesom Wike rose by all manner of sabotages, betrayal, and trick. He works with this person. Nyesom Wike became chairman on the instrumentality of late Marshal Harry, who was the chairman of PDP in Rivers State. And Marshal Harry was like a demigod to Nyesom Wike. Before you knew it, Nyesom Wike had betrayed Marshal Harry and he had joined with Dr. Peter Odili. Before you knew it, Nyesom Wike had betrayed Dr. Peter Odili and I joined forces with Amechi against Peter Odili. Before you knew it, Nyesom Wike had betrayed Amechi and joined forces with Patient Jonathan and Goodluck. Before you knew it, Nyesom Wike had betrayed patient Jonathan and President Goodluck Jonathan. Before you knew it, he was working with other interests. He was preferring the coffers of Rivers State to buy political patronage, to buy political influence all over the country, sponsoring candidates and wasting and wasting the resources of the people of Rivers State. Nyesom Wike became a lord. Went same. All of you are aware. And today, Rivers State is making between 23 to 27 billion a month. Between 23 to 27 billion monthly. So where was the 15 billion going to? What extra effort, what investment has gone into Rivers State? According to Nyesom Wike supporters, that there is investment flight in Rivers State. So if there is investment flight, we're quoting the governor. How did the IGR increase? How did the IGR increase from 12 billion to between 23 and 27 billion a month? According to him, I listened to them. I listened to Chidi Lloyd. I listened to a lot of them. That there was capital flight from Rivers State. And in these circumstances of capital flight, the IGR of Rivers State is progressively going on. These questions must be asked. That the Tema Road that was constructed less than 15 kilometers was 33 billion. That the Port Harcourt Ring Road of 53 kilometers is 200 billion, or record high. Port Harcourt that is already developed. They're not crossing any swamp, they're not crossing any river, and what they gave us is about 4 billion per kilometer. There's nowhere in Nigeria a road is constructed with that sort of amount. 4 billion per kilometer. But those that we have hope in Abuja are celebrating this gluten. Rivers people are liberated. You can't enslave us. It is regrettable, some of us, we can't go back. Because the bond I have with Tinubu, I find it very difficult. And it pains me when I talk this way. Today, they are demonstrating all over Rivers State. If Nyesom Wike is that powerful, why are they using my name? Who have I killed? They are carrying placards. Asari Dokubo, stop killing people. Asari Dokubo, this. So Nyesom Wike was so powerful. He's so powerful. That Nyesom Wike, you people, Bajabi and Mila and others are saying are so powerful. Come and see him, oh. Rivers people chased him out of all the local government, even with the support of the police. They chased him out. After all, we will not allow it. Continue provoking the people of Rivers State. We will continue to restrain ourselves. And we will watch you. But you will never succeed. My younger sister, I think Ebuka Obi came and was talking, wait, who is Boma? Who is Ebuka Obi? Boma, she has a pedigree. I have a pedigree. Who is Ebuka Obi? If it is not politics that threw up all these characters without any pedigree, without any antecedent, who will know such thing? That Ebuka Obi will stand and compare Wike and themselves to us. These things will compare themselves to us. In Equatorial, we know those we know, not these people. God don't butter on our bread. Instead of honor to chop the butter, the bread with them butter for now. She challenged you. So whatever Boma Guded, when Boma Guded fought you, she fought you and threw you. like Moto. You know Moto for Ikore, the champion. You know, say we be a liberal that people. She throw you in it. Instead of you to face Boma to them, I'm leave one face. Where I see a mama soldiers? Where I see my people? Where I see me in all this trouble? Why are you calling my name? Are you afraid to call a woman's name? So you're afraid to call Boma? She warned you. She told you. She warned you. She's an amatri, and that's how we do things. We don't go and hide and attack people. We come to you. We tell you before we come. Sing and tell you. Do go tell me go. She told you that she would demystify you. So in Abuja, in order to gain some sympathy, you have to call the name, my name into it. Did you see me? Did you see any of my men? So if somebody is from Asari Dokubo and he works with me and you see him, it is me. Have I ever eaten myself when I'm coming after you or coming after anybody? As I'm talking now, have I eaten myself? You know me. You know me very well. It's sad that you drag my name into this matter. If the political system had not thrown you up, who are you? Why are you hiding behind the police? Why can't the police be neutral? Let Boma face you and chase you out of River State. If you will not chase you out of River State, let your people in Abuja come. I swear, if Boma does not chase you out of River State, you and your minions. Siendi Salaman. Yendi no bili. Ekini ka kote. Politics just threw up all sorts of characters who cannot even win one election. You have opportunity to use River State money. As for all those that minions in Asari, that time, the people have risen. And the people will chase you. You have done a lot of harm to River State. You are account for all that you have stolen from River State. You are account for all that you have stolen from River State. You and your minion, Rivers people, will hold you accountable. And it is regrettable why the Nigerian police will take side in this matter. You have locked up the local government secretariat who have no business. You are demonstrating, why call my name? After people were elected and sworn in based on a tenure, and that tenure has expired. And then you people in Abuja are telling this sick Clito to come to River State and elongate the tenure. Nigerians will lose faith in you because they will also say that you are trying to elongate your tenure. Maybe you are testing the water with River State. Maybe you are testing the water with River State of tenure elongation. But you will fail. You fail woefully in River State. You can't cow and enslave the people of River State. River people have risen. And they are not going to stand down. They will continue to stand by their governor because the Supreme Court gave a judgment confirming his election, and we have accepted him as our governor, and we are going to stand by him as our governor. We are not going to weak, we are not going to look back, and we will support him against anybody. We have not seen any offense before. When they were talking, I was saying in Georgia, even in his own local government, Ekpa, did you not see how they threw away his statue that they built, the pharaoh? The colossus that he thought he has become. Have they not broken the leg of that colossus? In his local government, Ekpa. In Ikole, if they burn you well, make you come. When Boma went to Ikole local government, you were them burn well. Say, I know the workers on the tire. You stand, you know wrong. You didn't see Boma. She didn't come to Ikole local government. Did you see me? She came to Ikole local government to come and see you eyeball to eyeball. Those are minions, he said. Did he not run away? You never said anything. You never see anything. Don't get me involved. If na Boma dey deal with you, he never solve Boma problem. Honorable Boma Mefo Tokwakude, he never solve our problem. No bringing Alhaji Mujahid, Abubakar Dokwa Asari, Alabama part of the kingdom of Kalabari, and then Abubakar the second. Don't bring me in. Because my problem is Abaimbere, Ebola, and Panyan. Ebola and Panyan. My problem is Abaimbere, Mubola. A problem of Abaimbere, Ebola, and Panyan. I've told you. Day a day, as they have told you. Make a day my day, oh. Nobody worry nobody, oh. Just day a day, Nyesom Wike and your minion. Make on a day my day. More I don't come make me, make I accumulate the system, oh. Don't make me, oh. Make I come accumulate the system, oh. The ones where others one at the call. I only know my sister name, Boma. Make I no join accumulate, oh. What did they look for? Oh, the thing when they do, we go stop them. Are you God? Yes, are you God? Can you be God? If you be God for Abuja for them, you know be God there. You are not God there. I don't have any problem with you. Leave River State alone. Don't run us down. Engage yourself in meaningful activity though. No room for chum, no room for gossip. If you don't love River State, just stay for Abuja. You have a place in Abuja, stay there now. What is wrong with you? Allow him to rule. He ruled your 8 years for Kako. Now you get River State. Your people are not ashamed. We, the supporters of Wike, I saw one as a red member. People are not just ashamed that in modern time, you become a slave of another man. You will donate yourself to become a slave of another man. Make it day a day. Day a day. Tell your boys, make them day their day. Make a day my day. I know be gentleman at all. Oh. And you know me, I don't be gentleman at all. You know me very well. As my mouth they chap, that's what my hands said they chap. No involve me. Fight with Boma, we don't declare war against you. She don't declare war against you. And she will win you. And she go win you. Inshallah, she go win you. You don't fall. And as you don't fall, not here you go remain. I just pray that my friend Bola Almhed Tinubu will realize before you cause him irreparable harm.